Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl AB World Entertainment. Today, I bring to you three topics which says Aisha Yusuf say where are the Kenyan wood people and Nigeria to borrow 1.5 billion dollar from World Bank. And the third one, na Chief Justice of Nigeria, Muhammadu, tested positive. So now the three major topic when I bring come outside be this one. So my good and wonderful people, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. Please, if today might be the very first time when you come across this video or you failed to watch, you never subscribe, I bet me you try me, you consider the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, now you will be the very first person when they wire my video go give. As you do so, Papa God will they heaven will bless you for me. So my new subscriber, you are welcome, and to my returning subscriber, God bless you all for being a plus to this great family. May God bless you in Jesus' name, amen. Okay, the first one where we want to look into my country people, now it be the one way Aisha Yusuf bring come out our superhero. The three major topic now I want to talk about for here. So I group the three together. So I will go for the Aisha or for the second one. So this first one where I want to talk about now about the money when Nigeria want borrow from World Bank again 1.5 billion US dollar. You understand? So me want I say all the money where they borrow ever since then. What did they take until they do? You understand? Nigerians government are trying to borrow money from World Bank again upon all the money where they borrow. I even hear for inside this year, beside last year or last few months ago, say they be go Brazil, they be one go borrow. You understand? But why they want borrow all this money? Put them for the next president where they come for a neck. You understand? Say that one go dey battle with all this kind of money where they borrow. You no go fit do any project for inside Nigeria. So you understand? So why borrowing and borrowing? You understand? Why Nigeria come your turn to borrow? Now that one me I no ask. I want ask. You understand? Upon no things no dey okay for inside this Nigeria. Imagine Nigeria where they give light to other people, they give fuel to other people. Now then Congo they buy fuel from Niger, and it that something they very very sad my country people. So you understand? So imagine after how many years or how many money where they don't borrow, Nigeria still the one where they don't borrow for China. We don't know. They even told say Nigeria even the whole money for Aso Rock. You understand? Say they say me they can't pay house rent for Aso Rock. Who then they pay the house rent? Who build Aso Rock or who buy Aso Rock? Then buy and build a builder. That one me I not understand. Imagine on that money where they bring come outside now. Say me they can't still they want to borrow 1.5 billion from World Bank again to do what me I don't know. You understand? Because no light for Nigeria, no electricity, no good school, now different but they put debt upon debt upon debt upon that is that they put am for their children. You understand me I don't know who want pay all this money. You understand? And where this money they go we know they know once them borrow and finish. Now the next thing they use them for their own self for their self. You understand? Imagine the money where the UN and Germany give Nigeria for inside COVID-19 till today the bank burn to ashes, nowhere to be found. All those money plus the one where they borrow. You understand? So I don't know what to say in that area. Okay, my country people, another one come still hit us again. Aisha Yusuf come talk say where are all the celebrities in north? Wetin dey happen now? Why they never come outside ever since then? Come talk about wetin dey go on for inside their country. You understand? If that most of all these things wey come dey go on now northern side na this something for come dey go on. You understand? See rice farmer wey dey kpai that day na north na dey for come. See this Katsina people wey dey gbab now, the students wey dey gbab na inside north na for come. Where are all the celebrities in northern part? Na only the south celebrity na dey come outside. Why then they hide their self? Why then they hide themselves? Why they no one involved? Why they no one come outside? Why they no one talk for the matter where it they go on? So you understand? So why that is I don't understand, because and nobody they watch their movie. They just I don't understand. Okay, make I read this something before I go analyze on that. You say where are the Kennywood people? Where are the northern musicians? You understand? Northern musician, they get a lot of musician. No city wey no get musician, but the northern musician, they no, that is, they no come outside, come talk for wetin dey happen, come protest against this bad government. You understand? They don't want me Buhari dey there because everybody dey suffer, and not be only the south. You understand? Now only the cabals, now then they enjoy this money. You understand? So it's time for you people to speak up. Speak out. You understand? You talk, you go meme. You not talk, you go stick meme. So speak out. All these people, what they are doing is not good. You understand? People are just happy in the sense that the way Benin used to say, mama or no meaning it good, it not good. We go no say the government come from our side. You understand? No, now we the rule. That one not it not help anything. You understand? So that is, people have to speak so that I know as I want to put on my country people. Make I dey read on. Say, where are the northerners musicians? Where are the northerners youth? Yes, where are the northerners youth? That guy where he talk, where they run mad like tap, that they say he say if the protester no comot, make their mama go trade for market. Say he go buy people, he go give some people ROIP. Where in dey na not be in state na for the all this thing for the happen. He never still come out for Abuja now as a youth leader come talk say wetin dey happen now, say he no buy am. You understand? So he never come outside now. So you understand, where are the northerners youth? Where is the Arewa tweeters? You understand? Where are the Arewa tweeters? Ever since then, where all these things they happen for inside northern part, where are they? So donate for life to matters, start online and move to the streets. You understand? The world will join and force Buhari to act. You understand? You people have to be there, to come outside, lead this protest. You understand? The South have tried. You understand? Let the northerners come outside. They are celebrity. They are musicians. You understand? Let them come outside. They are youth. This thing that is going on in Nigeria is no longer funny. It's no longer funny. You understand? So not be another person will come fight for us. Not be another country will come fight for us. We need to fight for ourselves. So make them come outside so that let's unite together and we are one Nigeria. Una no want make people come on. Una no want make Biafrans come on. Una no want make Oduduwa come on. Come outside, let's unite together. Because if you second now, according to what you want get talk, he said why this man go talk say make them no protest. You understand? Say Buhari dey their favor because na northern, but na then suffer pass begging na then all the many things. The school they not to go school. You understand? And they upside now this thing for affect well. So he says they need to come outside and you should stop lying to people that all is well in Nigeria when you know say all is not well. So you understand? So let them come outside and speak to the masses. You understand? So that the South can still join. With the South no fit they come they lead una. We just sit down they look just like monkey they walk bamboo they shop. No, we don't want to do that one again because all wetin they happen they blame everything upon on the South. Say na South na they spoil the Nigeria, na they this one Nigeria. Make una still come outside, come voice una come out so that people go still join una. You understand? Because a lot of celebrities they South and people they still they add film for that side. You understand? And the man say they know they see their film they watch like that like all this other Nollywood this English movie. You understand? So but make they come outside, make the youth come out, make they come speak about this bad government because what is going on is not good again. As I talk to Aisha Buhari is nowhere to be found. So make I go straight to the news. He don't run enter Dubai now. You understand? For the past 3 months, first lady, not their country. You're not supposed to know say there's fire on the mountain. Say not be Buhari dey sit. For a wife to come out for 3 months, you know they house. Who would they cook for your husband? So you understand? So we're not supposed to use that one thing to say something is going on. Another report where it comes to research say the look una know wetin dey happen for inside Nigeria. Say inside that Aso Villa many things dey happen. Inside Aso Rock many things dey happen. You understand? Make una check this one. It say Chief Justice of Nigeria Mohammed tested positive for COVID-19. Travel to Dubai for test. I no understand. Now the hospital where they talk say me una build ever since then be this one. Now it don't come out now for Nigeria. The Chief Justice of Nigeria. He don't waka comot. President don't go on vacation. Chief Justice don't go vacation. President wife don't still go vacation. Who they can't leave the country for? So with this one, I know say no be President Muhammadu Buhari dey sit. Now Yusuf from where they where for they call am Yusuf Jubilee as IPOB leader talk. Now him be this. Because when Abakari tested positive, now Nigeria did it for cure. So how come the Chief Justice now come waka comot for inside Nigeria now, say in they go Dubai, one go cure COVID-19? Since when that one start, how they take they cure COVID-19? Una don't ever see when all these Oyibo people will come up for their country, come say they are going into African nation or African country to go and cure themselves. No, you stay in your country, meaning a lot of things is happening in Aso Villa. There is fire on the mountain in Aso Villa, my country people. There is fire on the mountain. A lot of things is going on in that Aso Villa. Build better hospital. Okay, now our money na this one carry go Dubai and say you want to go cure yourself. It don't run because of the insecurity, because they don't know who be who, you understand? They don't know who be who. Imagine president, a whole president city. Bandits enter inside, the waka come outside. So the whole thing get as e be, my country people. It get as e be. So with this one, una go know say all is not well in Aso Villa at all. All is not well in Aso Villa. So now I say make I just let una know say the Chief Justice of Nigeria, First Lady of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, they are not in Nigeria at the moment. They are not in Nigeria at the moment. So a lot of things are going on. So let the youths of Northerners, when they come outside, let them protest. Let them lead the protest, so that Buhari can act. Buhari went to Katsina to relax. Bandits went to Katsina State and removed more than 300 and something students from school, including teachers. Buhari refused to address the nation, address the youth, address the Lekki killing, and he refused to address the farm rice farmer, and he refused to still address the Katsina this thing. But he was found he was found in a video when he went to visit his cow. If bandits have visited his cow, do you see that Buhari value cow more than the people they give am? So now that one I know say this man need to be impeached, not being be the president. President don't waka. All the cabas are eating. So now Aisha Buhari don't waka come up for Nigeria now because they are about to be catch red-handed. I leave you people with this. Stay blessed and remain blessed. Choose everyone. Thank you very much. Please always watch my video, share, like, and give a thumbs up. Okay? So thank you. Merry Xmas in advance. Bye everyone. Choose.